Today we're opening surprise egg in the airplane. Zack, are you excited? Yeah, so we are in the airplane right now. As you guys can see. This is the airplane.
Open it, guys.
Are you ready to open your first egg? So your first egg is magic egg. So let's see the magic egg. Open it, Zack, open it. Good job, Zack. Wow, look at this. That's so awesome. It's a dinosaur. Super cute. And it comes with 2 chocolate. This is so awesome. And 2 toys. Look, Zack, you got 2. What we got? We got 2 dinosaurs and 2 chocolate. Okay, Zack, ready to open your second egg? Okay, put it here. Wow. What did you got in this one? Is it an elephant? Yes, it is. So cute. Okay, so we got an elephant and we got gummies. Look at the elephant. It's so soft, Zack. So soft. So cute. Do you like it? Yeah, so adorable, right? Okay, are you ready for your third egg? You wanna open a big one? Let's see if we're getting chocolate or we're getting gummies. Open it, open it. Let's see. Open it, open it. Ah, here we go. More chocolate. Okay. More dinosaurs? Is it the same? No, it's not. Oh. Oh, look at the dinosaur. Okay, so we got 2 dinosaurs here. So cute. And we got 2 chocolates. Okay, let's open this small egg. Okay, let's see what's in there. What's in there, Zack? Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's a car. It's a car. So you get a toy and a chocolate, right? Open it. Okay, this is what you get. Chocolate and a toy. You want to open one more? Okay, so we have 2 left. Look through the window, Zack. Look what's out there. Open the window. Here we go. Wow, the airplane is flying. Do you like to be in an airplane, Zack? Close it, close it. Do you like to be in an airplane? Yeah. Okay, Zack, open it. Wow, good job. Googly eyes. Super cute. And chocolate here. Okay, last one. Look at the googly eyes. So cute. Okay. Okay, last egg. What did you got? Oh, so cute. Is this a cat? Hey, kitty, kitty. Oh, so cute. Okay, Zack, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye.
bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed all the surprise eggs.